Experience next-level home cleaning with the SmartAI V6 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a premium wireless vacuum engineered to deliver exceptional suction power, extended battery life, and effortless cleaning performance. Featuring a 650W high-performance motor, an impressive 65 kilopascals powerful suction, a massive 24,000 mAh battery, and up to 80 minutes of runtime, the SmartAI V6 is designed to tackle everything from everyday dust to stubborn debris with ease. In this video, we take an in-depth look at the SmartAI V6 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner and explore its advanced features, including ultra-powerful suction, intelligent battery management, multi-surface cleaning performance, lightweight cordless design, high-efficiency filtration system, and versatile cleaning accessories. Whether you're cleaning hardwood floors, carpets, rugs, tiles, stairs, furniture, curtains, or pet hair, the SmartAI V6 provides powerful and consistent performance throughout your entire home. The advanced 650W brushless motor generates an incredible 65 kilopascals suction power, allowing the vacuum to remove fine dust, dirt, pet hair, crumbs, and embedded debris from a wide range of surfaces with outstanding efficiency. Key features: SmartAI V6 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, powerful 650W brushless motor, 65 kilopascals ultra-strong suction, up to 80 minutes runtime, 24,000 mAh high-capacity battery, rechargeable cordless design, lightweight stick vacuum, multi-surface cleaning, high-efficiency filtration system, powerful dust and debris removal, low noise operation, long battery life, ergonomic lightweight design, flexible cleaning head, easy dustbin emptying, one-touch operation, pet hair removal, hard floor and carpet cleaning, modern space-saving design, ideal for whole home cleaning. Powered by a high-capacity 24,000 mAh rechargeable battery, the SmartAI V6 delivers up to 80 minutes of continuous runtime, allowing you to clean large homes on a single charge without interruptions. Its cordless design provides complete freedom of movement, making it easy to clean every corner of your home, including stairs, ceilings, under furniture, upholstery, and even vehicle interiors without being restricted by power cords. The advanced multi-stage filtration system captures fine dust, allergens, and microscopic particles, helping improve indoor air quality while preventing dust from being released back into your living space. Designed with user comfort in mind, the lightweight ergonomic construction minimizes fatigue during extended cleaning sessions, while the flexible floor head easily navigates around furniture and into tight spaces. Whether you need a quick daily cleanup or a deep whole house cleaning session, the SmartAI V6 offers powerful performance, long-lasting battery life, and maximum convenience for every task. Perfect for hardwood floors, carpets and rugs, tile flooring, pet owners, family homes, apartments, upholstery, car interiors, stairs, furniture, everyday cleaning, deep home cleaning, combining powerful suction, extended battery life, cordless convenience, and intelligent cleaning technology. The SmartAI V6 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent solution for anyone looking to keep their home spotless with minimal effort. Subscribe to the channel for more reviews, demonstrations, and the latest innovations in cordless vacuum cleaners, smart home appliances, cleaning technology, and household gadgets.